Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical 2D sketch in SolidWorks 2025 well on it. First of all, draw the circle from origin. Two circle draw from origin. Now give the dimension circle. This circle dimension 40 and this circle dimension 20. Okay. Now go to draw another circle. Now give the dimension. This circle dimension 16 and this circle dimension 32. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 72. Okay. Select. Now this point control this point vertical. Okay. Now go to draw the center line, make center line or draw the center line for construction here. Select. Now go to 3-point R. Now here and here click, select. Now this R control this circle tangent. Now this point control this circle coincident. This R control this circle tangent. This point control this circle coincident. Okay. Now go to this R radius 70. Okay. Now go to again draw R. Select. Now go to offset. This arc offset reverse 8. Okay. 8 offset. Okay. Now go to 3-point arc. This arc select and this circle and here select. Okay. Now just move here. Okay. This arc control this arc tangent. And this arc control this arc tangent. Okay. Now give the below this R below 8. Okay, select. Now go to trim, cut this arc. Okay, select. This arc and this arc distance 8. Okay. This arc control this arc concentric. Okay. Now this arc control this arc tangent. Okay. Now go to mirror and this arc select this arc and this arc about this center line. Okay. Now go to trim. Now cut this arc, arc, and arc, this arc and this arc. Okay, select. Okay. Now check all dimension. Okay, make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. Our online class 1 to 1, you can join anywhere in the world. You can join practical class in our office. Our office location Demra, Dhaka. Thank you all.